Good morning, everyone. My name is Hari Prasad. I am a DevOps engineer. I like to automate each and every Linux related steps. So, if we will talk about like one of my tool, which is MWeb 24/7, which is used to monitor any website status. If the site is goes down, and it will notify you via Slack or the email address. Okay, so how anybody can configure this, and how what features it allow, and is it paid or it is a completely free of cost tool. So let's understand all the features, and how later on we will sign up, we will see how we can uh, configure monitoring for one of my site. Okay, so let's move to the quickly. So this is the MWeb tool, which is used to monitor any site, and it's a completely free of cost tool. So let me make font little bit bigger. So here, this is the form how you can sign up. This is like, here you need to enter your email ID, your name at the rate gmail, or the domain name, anything you can mention. And here you need to enter all these domains which you want to monitor, like a google.com, or https://facebook.com/status, anything. This is like a dummy URL. So you guys can add your actual URL, which is your status URL, like a status or the health check API, so by which we will hit that site to verify that the site is down or site is up, kind of thing. So you can add any number of the sites here. And also you must need to fill up like empty like some keywords. Here it will be your unique username, and we recommend you to use empty post that some number that you can remember later on. Okay, and here you can mention like a Slack channel, and provide the tags detail and notes in a proper format. Or otherwise you can leave empty this field. Okay, and these field you must need to fill up. If you, let's suppose, if you want to provide the value like env colon prod, something like a key value pairs, they're same thing like a tag and notes. Key value pair in this should be separated by the separated by the colon. Okay, so we can use like this. I think make font little bit bigger, so you can add like this. Okay, and once you have filled up all the form, you will you have to submit this form. And later on, if you want to edit or the add more domains, and you what you can do this, you will get an edit link at your email ID, which you have mentioned here. Okay, immediately you will get like a edit link. On that links, you can later on you can add more and more domain, and also you can remove and add more. Okay, so if your site goes down, and we will notify you at this email ID which you will mention here. Okay, and what feature it has, basically it is completely developed by me, and also we have hosted somewhere in the through the GitHub repository, and we written the code in the GitHub repository. And here you can find the complete code on the GitHub. And also one of other my tool like msend is also we are using in this, like a sending email. This is the email notification format. When you will your site will goes down, and you will see like this kind of email format. Okay, and also I would like to show you like a email format. Here is the my email which I have received for a dummy site which I have configured for monitoring. And this is the sample email which you will get at the time of shutdown or the down site. If it is not a 2xx something, you will get all the site list, which will be up and down, this site is not reachable, that's why you got this email. Okay, and here we have mentioned the tags and notes. Okay, cool. So I will share this Google form link in the description of this video. You guys can visit and sign up your sites and monitor freely, and it's a completely open source. And if we talk about like a feature, so I already told you like it's a completely free, and it will check every 1 minute. And another thing, it will like the duplicate email it will like send after 2 hours or 3 hours later. But if your site is goes down, and it will notify you immediately. The first email you will get immediately. I have the limited email and limited Slack notification. So as of now we have like a restricted every time. But yeah, you will get the email notification, but you may not get the duplicate email many times. Okay, so I have restricted that thing. And if you have any kind of concern, any questions, and you can connect with me, like this is my LinkedIn ID, and if you want to connect with my email, and also you can connect with my email. And this is also email ID, and the other detail you can find me this is my blog. Like you can see, like this my portfolio page. So I will share this link also in the description. So hopefully you may try, and if you looks fine, then you can continue use that. Okay, thanks everybody, bye.